So I also started, in terms of answering this question, by wondering, we have to define China's technological ambitions before we answer this question. And I think there are at least three technological ambitions, and I'm just going to focus on one. But one, of course, is national security. That's both defensive-minded, self-reliance and independence, as well as offensive-minded sort of control of choke point technologies. I'm not going to talk about that. I think China has done very well on the national security angle in both defensive and offensive terms. There's a second ambition in terms of perceived global leadership, prestige for the party. And I think, again, here, China has done extremely well, and it's doing well on its technological ambitions in terms of how it's perceived by the world. The third technological ambition that I am going to talk about is whether China can use industrial policy, technological growth to spur the economy and to produce economic growth. And here, no rich country has ever gotten rich without relying on total factor productivity growth, the efficient use of factor inputs.